What it do, what it do, what it do. I am back with another. It ain't a review. I'm back, got me some egusi and fufu, some Nigerian food. Yes, sir. You know what we gotta start demanding for those of you who eat Nigerian food or any type of the African culture food? Man, we gotta start demanding more soup, bro. Like, look how much soup I got. Coulda given me more than that, bro. For real, for real. Oh, let me turn my camera around because what it do, what it do, what it do. I am back and it ain't a review. I need to find something to prop this up on because, like, you're not gonna be able to. Dang, that's crazy. You just gonna have to keep it that way. Gonna have to just keep it that way. Man, I've been craving this all week, y'all. All week. Me, I like Egusi. Jesus. Normally, when they give me a portion, y'all, it normally lasts me like 2, 3 days of me eating this, right? Today it's looking like this only gonna last me just for tonight. That's what it's looking like. You want some? Go ahead. Jesus. If you're not eating this, you was missing out. For real. And Egusi ain't nothing but vegetables, y'all. Like, that's beef. It's regular beef. Nothing exotic. Remember spinach, melon seeds, palm oil. That's it. Like, that's it. Oh, this is so good. By the way, my hands are already clean. I just came from the bathroom. I'm saying it all extra late, huh? It's okay. I'm telling you, once you have this, your taste buds gonna go crazy like every other day for this shit. Like, for real. Your taste buds gonna want this every day, bro. For real, for real. So the way my taste buds go crazy, and it's not the only soup I really eat. I mean, yeah, well, it's one of the main dishes I usually get. Um, I done had almost all the soups, but I'm gonna say my favorite is egusi and well, ground nut or peanut butter soup, if you want to call it peanut butter soup. So good. If you got a Nigerian spot by you, I'm telling you right now, go get you something, man. Stop looking at us on the screen eating this because you know you want to try it. Go get you some. Dang, I should have got 2 fufus. That's another thing. I normally get 2 fufus, but like I said, the size she gave me, she only gave me 2, like a 1.5 scoop. I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna eat 2 fufus. But now, it's looking like I am gonna eat 2 fufus. But you know what though? I ain't never had it over white rice. A lot of people say it's good over white rice. If I do have some left over and I don't have no more fufu, I'll make some white rice 9 times out of 10. Feel what I'm saying? So good. I'm tearing it up, huh? It's okay. I do got some wine here, but I got more wine down there, but I'm gonna... That's what I want to try next. I want to try the palm. Is it palm or plum wine? Wine palm. I don't know why I talking in my head. This shit is so good, bro. For real. When they be like, oh, it look nasty. Forget the look. Taste it. Believe me. Believe me when I say, okay? I usually get mixed meats too. She got me all beef today. Look like it. I don't have no tripe in here. You know what? I don't even do it. Because I was about to complain like, hey, she gave me a little bit and she only just gave me all beef like chunks. The other girl, she be hooking it up. She be giving me everything. She give me a little tripe, beef chunk, a cow foot. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, this fufu. Look at this. This fufu is gone. I should have got two, buddy. Maybe if I agree to go to work tomorrow. Stop and get one on the way home. So good, y'all. Y'all gotta get y'all something for real. It's crazy because I got some Wingstop in the refrigerator, and I chose this over Wingstop. For real. Because look, I got the seasoning sitting right here. The Wingstop seasoning. Okay. For the french fries, Wingstop ain't got nothing on this. For sure, for sure. Alright, but I am starting to get full. That fufu will hit you.